Our cloud strategy is documented in our data center consolidation
So
strategy.
It's like
It's
Tony said, it's sort of just a part of the overall program.
right. In fact, I almost think of data center consolidation as a subset of the cloud as opposed to the other way around, because data center consolidation is about place. Where does something go?
Right.
And with the exception of high performance computing, which we don't virtualize because that doesn't make sense technically. With the exception of that, everything we have is either, if you imagine that you can move it to virtualization and it's accessible over the network, then if it's dedicated to you, it's a private cloud. If it's not, it's a community cloud. And if it's everybody, I mean, if it's just your best friends, it's a community cloud. And if it's everybody, then it's a public cloud.
Right.
And so what you have is a spectrum, and the spectrum is it isn't so much a variability, in my view, on contractor or not, because even when you operate it yourself, odds are you're heavily reliant upon contractors that are perhaps sitting next to you. What it is it's a matter of how much control you have, and how much confidence you have that what you want is going to be done for you. So we've been experimenting with, we've been implementing mechanisms all across that spectrum. A couple of days ago, I think it was a couple of days ago, we awarded a contract for platform as a service and infrastructure as a service that will be used NOAA-wide by the Weather Service, the Satellite Service, the Ocean Service, and so on. And we'll be going through a single service delivery function so that we can, as things move to the cloud, we'll identify opportunities for consolidation of that administration. That's one thing. Early on, though, we were very early movers in software as a service, and that just gets the application out of your space completely. It requires a lot of coordination, but we want to use all the tools available.
I think